Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to put on your Hair by Mahogany wigs. So your full lace wig will come like this, and it'll have a band on it. You'll have your elastic straps in the back, combs, so that you can secure it and wear it without any glue. So you're going to brace your forehead on the front, the strap goes in the back, and this will eventually sit inside of your band. So let me adjust my straps. I like mine pretty tight. And I'm wearing this because I'm doing this glueless. I'm just putting it on so that I can do my podcast. What you got to say? Go ahead and follow us. So I'm not gonna glue it down, so that's why I'm wearing my do-rag, because I don't have time to do any type of fake scalp look right now. You just pull it over the back, make sure the strap is laying down in the back. And then you want to, in the back, just to help, I take my combs and I secure one side inside of my do-rag. Pull it to the front. And you want to make sure that the other side is in there and that your flaps are sitting over your ear. If you want to, you can put a little got to be glued here, got to be glued here if you would like. Like I said, I'm just doing my taping today, so I'm not doing any of that. And look at that. Having any blending, putting my makeup on there or anything. I'm not a fan of like baby hairs. I like this look, and I can part it anywhere. Another thing you can do is use some mousse. And put it right on there. Like directly on the waist. And then you want to lay it flat with a scarf like this. Leave it on there for about 25 minutes and you will be laid. So those shoestrings work very well for this because it gets just right there on the edge and it still gives you the freedom to do what you need to do with your hair. I'm gonna wear her really wild and crazy. So this is how it is when you just put the daggone mousse on.